Well, you've gone to your washer, figuring it was all done, and found out it's still filled with water, and it stopped right on the rinse cycle. The repair, more than likely, is pretty simple. It's just going to be your lid switch assembly, which is located right here on most machines. They have a plunger here, which pushes down into here, closes the lid switch for safety features, so this machine will stop spinning if the lid is lifted. If it's broken, it doesn't know the lid is shut and will not finish its cycle. All you have to do is pull these two screws out. Your lid switch assembly will drop down underneath here. This is what it looks like. Just grab another one, take it back in, put your screws back in, and you should be off and going. You will more than likely need your model number, which is located right underneath the lid here. That will help you determine which lid switch assembly you use. If you'd like to order one, just click down at the bottom of this page to my website, pop in your model number, and you can order the lid switch right there. Hope this helps you.